Hello and welcome to Zevy's Garage. Today, we're going to be doing a quick review on a 2012 JCW that has been tastefully modified. This car comes with a ATM speed shop intercooler, Mario Paul's catless downpipe, an NM intake, along with a couple other little goodies like charge pipes and such, and last but not least, a tune. Handling-wise, we have coilovers, and I think that's it. I honestly don't know. I don't have a parts list for this car, so going off what I see. Well, let's go take it for a test drive, shall we?
Yes.
So, we're inside the JCW. We have an awesome cooler work shifter. We got the infamous red seat belts and the black gauges. What else could you want? Off the rip, this car's pretty good. Pretty smooth. The coilovers are a little stiff for my liking, but on a smooth road like here, it's pretty solid. The power is pretty good. This is Mario's car. It's always going to have good power. It has a stock JCW exhaust. Has a stock JCW exhaust along with the catless downpipe, and to me, for a street car, that is like the perfect exhaust setup. Like, it does real good. And obviously there's the pops and bangs, as almost every Mini has. One of my favorite cars I've driven in a good minute. Don't get me wrong, I love driving pretty much every Mini, but this one is fun. This needs a little bit better tires, maybe a rear sway bar, but the tires really aren't great. They're not like my Falcon RT660s, obviously. It just has some summer tires, but she drives pretty good. Just the handling setup itself is solid, and I don't know, if I had the money that they're asking for this car, I would totally buy it. It's solid. It's such a good daily. It's got the Harman Kardon sound system. It sounds good. It cruises good. It drives good. It does everything that you could possibly want. So what else would you want? Like, it's a good car. It's fun. It's sporty. It's quick. You have no issues racing people. I mean, obviously, you're not going to challenge someone stupid fast, but this car is going to keep up with some solid cars. It's a lot quicker than stock. There is some stuff on the road here. One thing I would do is I would put more aggressive pads on this. I don't know the service history of these brakes. I never do with like any of the cars that I have come by, but I would definitely go for a more aggressive pad. Minimum ceramic. This has whatever the JCW repos are, but just ceramic or just anything, something better. give ourselves a quick little 1-2. this is the first review of its type, or for my channel, should I say. And I'm gonna generally try and keep these reviews pretty short. Mainly try and keep this to just driving footage. Because at the end of the day, my reaction's one thing, but just hearing and seeing how the car is handled, just seeing how they go around the turns is a whole other thing. So, hopefully we'll see more of these. There's Lotus. What's up? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, goodbye. Well, let's go take it for a test drive, shall we?
Yes. Yes, master. Please keep that.